a newbie, but if I...
As long as the
Duel! Here I go! My turn! I set a card. Alright. I summon a monster. I end my turn.
My turn. I draw. I set a monster. I set a card face down on the field. I set a card face down on the field. I set a card on the field.
Now's my chance. Check out my face down card. My trap activates.
I end my turn.
It's my turn. I draw. My monster's effect activates. Will this work? Guess I'll find out. I special summon a monster. All right. I special summon a monster. This work? Guess I'll find out. I exceed summon a monster. My monster's effect activates. From my hand, I activate an equip spell. I'll play this. I summon a monster. I'll play this. I exceed summon a monster. Battle! Go! I attack using my monster. Here I go! I attack you directly!
The light is fading.
My monster's effect activates! Game over, buddy! I attack you directly! That...
Check this out.
I'm not
You think
Duel!
Feeling nervous? It's my turn.
Here I
end
go.
my turn.
My turn! I draw! I'm setting a card! My monster's effect activates! I special summon a monster! Will this work? Guess I'll find out. I special summon a monster! Alright. I exceed summon a monster! My monster's effect activates! Will this work? Guess I'll find out. I summon a monster. Alright. I special summon a monster. Alright. I exceed summon a monster. Battle! Never, ever, ever underestimate me. My monster attacks you directly!
Like that's
Game
gonna
over,
keep
buddy.
me down.
I attack you directly!
Now's my chance. My monster's effect
Here
activates.
goes! My monster attacks you directly!
Ah! I can't.